Hey guys, welcome to Isaiah's Reviews, and today we'll be reviewing HitLights LEDs. These come in various forms and colors and color temps and all this kind of stuff, and a lot of them come with packages that you can get what you need, or you can just get some LED strips and continue on your journey of lighting your home however you want to. Just be as creative as humanly possible. It allows anybody to do this kind of stuff, and it's bright. I think it's 100, and I don't want to speak out of turn, 164 lumens per foot. What I have is 16.4 feet of strip. That's 600 LEDs at 16.4 feet. I think I said that already, but if I didn't, there you go. And so yeah, it's a simple process. You know, basically what you get is the power adapter, which is a pretty big power brick in itself, which is pretty cool. It's rated for indoor use. And then we have the controller, which is just a plug and play kind of controller thing. You just plug it up. Very simple. It plugs into one end and into the power adapter and into the strip, and then you can control that, turn it on, dim it, and then you know, full control of your LEDs, which is really cool. And then the LEDs themselves, which is 16.4 feet, 12 volt, 10 millimeter width. It's high density, indoor rated, warm white light at 3000 Kelvin is what I'll be doing. So the journey in my mind was where can I put a 16.4 foot strip. I just put together my son's bed, which is a new loft bed. He moved into twin status from toddler bed into twin bed, so we got him a loft bed, which is really cool. I'll leave a link to the loft bed that I got him, which is stout. I highly recommend that. And I just ran it behind the things that face the wall, the leg support. That's where I came in at, where he could have his own dial, and the dimmer dial that you get from HitLights has a sticky tape on the back, so it kind of sticks to something and flap around. So I ran it behind some furniture, the power adapter and stuff, and put that there at the bottom of the leg of the furniture. Ran the LED strip up behind the wall because I do have little toe boards there that kind of moves the furniture this far from the wall, which is perfect for some accent lights that actually work and give you light, but that hide the LED lights themselves, so you're not blinded by light. It just reflects off the wall and back out again. So I ran it behind the leg, around the bed itself, back down one leg in the corner and back up the other side of the leg, and then all the way over. And then lo and behold, it's a very simple process. I was able to do it in like 15 minutes. Lo and behold, we have a beautiful light that he can adjust himself with the power adapter and brick and all that stuff hidden behind some furniture, so he can stay away from that, and just has a little peekaboo access to the dimmer dial. And I gotta say, on the lowest setting to the highest, all through that spectrum, the lights look good. There's no flickering, no kind of goofy stuff that you might see with cheaper products. And I gotta say, those LEDs, man, they're beefy, they're chunky, way different than like when they first started rolling out and you would do the strip behind the TV or something like that. Those are little tiny cheap LEDs. These are stout, very good LEDs. So if you're looking for accent lighting like that, on that level, just hide the lights, use the wall, use your walls, stuff like that, bounce some light around. You'll get plenty of light back, and it looks good. He has a good little hidey hole. He can go down there and play, has his own control of lights. I think it looks good. Use your discretion about what age to do something like this with your child. I'm not saying to do it with all children, but if your kid's at that level, to control a dimmer switch and to not want to pull the LEDs down himself, because they stick to the furniture just fine. I'm sure you can pull them off if you need to, but just use all that at your own discretion. And I really like these LED lights. For the price, I think it's a good deal, because there's no way you're going to spend 40 bucks, $39 on light fixtures and do the wiring and mounting and stuff to kind of get this effect. This was plug and play out of the box. No downfall. So follow the link down in the YouTube description. See some of the specs and stuff that I didn't mention, and make sure to go check out HitLights they make a good quality product. Just by seeing this hunky LED mastery there on the reel, if I need LED lights, they're more than likely going to be my sole source of getting LEDs. It's that good a quality. So I think you'll enjoy it. So make sure to explode on that subscribe button and ding that bell so you get notified on the next product that I review real soon. See ya.